Hi, welcome friends. Welcome to Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter 1, Commission, Brokerage and Discount. This is the sixth part of Class 12 Commerce, Part 2, Learning with PYK. Let's understand exercise 1.1. Question number 3. Miss Saraswati was paid rupees 88,000 as commission on the sale of computers at a rate of 12.5%. If the price of each computer was 32,000, how many computers did she sell? So let's start with the solution given. So commission charged by Miss Saraswati is 12.5%. Commission received total is rupees 88,000. Cost of a computer, that is one computer, or it is 32,000 per unit. We have to find how many computers did she sell to get a commission of 88,000. So we know the commission is sales value multiplied by commission rate. This is the sale value multiplied by commission rate divide 100. So we'll start with sale of one computer, commission on the one computer. So this means we have the sale value is 32,000, commission she gets is 12.5%. Solving this, we get a commission on the sale of one computer is 4,000. So number of computers sold will be total commission received divide commission received on a sale of one computer, which comes out to be 88,000 divide 4,000, that is 22. So in order to gain the commission of 88,000, she has to sell 22 computers or 22 units of computers. Question number 4. Anita is allowed 6.5% commission on total sale plus a bonus of 0.5% on a sale over rupees 20,000. So here she receives the commission, also she receives a bonus, but the bonus is on the sale over rupees 20,000. So if she sells anything below 20,000, she will be entitled only for the commission. Her total commission is 3,400. We have to find out the sales made by her. So given commission allowed to Anita is 6.5%, bonus on sale over 20,000, that is 0.5%. Total commission she gets is 3,400. We have to find total sales made by her. So the formula is commission is sales value multiplied by commission rate divide 100. For the bonus, the formula still remains the same. So let the total sales be rupees X. We know the total commission she gets is commission plus bonus. So we have left hand side 3,400. Commission formula is X, that is total sales multiplied by percentage divide 100 plus. Here she is getting the bonus on the sales over 20,000. So what we will do? We'll subtract the total sales from 20,000 and multiply it by 0.5%. So on solving this, we get X is equal to 50,000. So the answer is total sales made by Anita is 50,000 to get a commission of 3,400, which includes a part of a commission plus the bonus. So see you in the next part. Keep practicing. Try solving question 5 and share your solution. Bye-bye. See you.